Hello guys, DreamHost offer excellent value. Its hosting plan, particularly the unlimited plan, which stand out of its generous feature. This plan, including unlimited website, daily automatic backup, and free domain privacy protection, all of which provide substantial value of user. DreamHost 97-day money back guarantee is one of the longest in the industry, reflecting their confidence in their services and commitment to customer satisfaction. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Unlike many competitive, DreamHost does not offer a free domain for the first year, which could add a bit to your initial cost. Additionally, if you are option for further starter plan, you will find that it does not including a professional's email address, which is something that most users would expect from a hosting service. Given these factors, the unlimited plan is likely the better choice for most, offering more feature for relevantly small price difference. When it's come to user experience, DreamHost dashboard is designed with simplicity is mind making is an attractive option for beginner. The tool and the feature is are neatly organized along the left hand side, making navigation straightforward and ensuring that user can find what they need without much hassle. The WordPress integrated is smooth and effective, but it lacks some of the more advanced features that offering hosting provider offer, such as integrated plugin management or easy standing environment. Despite its clean design, the dashboard can sometimes feel sluggish and occasional bugs might disrupt the user experience. This can be particularly frustrating for users who are acclimated to faster, more responsive interfaces, especially during the critical stage of website setup uh, and management. DreamHost, including the bold grid website builder with all its plan, offering user a convenient way to create and manage their website. Bold grid is a WordPress integrated builder, which means it functions within the WordPress environment, providing familiar drag and drop functionality and a good selection of modern templates. While this integration allows for a higher degree of customization and flexibility, it can also make the builder feel less seamless compared to standard alone website builders. Some users have reported that using bold grid can slow down their website, which is a significant consideration of the looking to optimize site performance. Although it's useful tool, particularly of those already comfortable with WordPress, it might not be the best option for users who prefer a more intuitive out of the box website builder experience. Security is an area where DreamHost excels, offering a range of features that help protect your website and data. The inclusion of free domain privacy protection is a significant benefit, as it helps keep your personal information secure from spammer and other unwanted content. DreamHost also provides free access certificates, which are essential for encrypted data and building trust your site visitor. Additionally, the daily automatic backup, including with all plan and an extra layer of security, ensuring that you can quickly recover your site in case of data loss or other issue. However, DreamHost customer malware scanning or tool Dream Shield is not including for free and come at an additional cost, which might be a downside for users who expect more comprehensive security measure including in their plan. Overall, while DreamHost provides solid security feature, there room for improvement, especially in making advanced security tool more accessible without additional fee. DreamHost performance is generally good, though it does not always stand out compared to some of its competitive website speed increasingly improvement, not just for retaining visitor but also for securing better ranking in such a engaged result. In test, Dream show host website loading with the recommended time frame, but they did not quite match the speed of leading competitive like Hostinger for user who prioritize speed, especially in competitive market. This might be a consideration. To achieve better performance, user may need to engage in manual site optimization of consider upgrading to a VPS plan, which could be a bit more technical and time consuming than some might prefer. Customer support at DreamHost is a mixed experience. That standard option for ticket and live chat support are available, and while they tend to be effective in resolving issues, the responsive time can be slow, which may be frustrating during urgent situation. One notable aspect of DreamHost support system in the availability of callback support, but this come with a fee, either as a one-time charge or as a monthly subscription. This approach might seem unconventional, as many competitors offer phone support as part of their standard services. On the plus side, the callback services available is both English and Spanish, making it more accessible to a broader range of users. DreamHost also offer pro services which can assist with SEO, website management, and design. Through these services are on the pricer side is summary. While DreamHost support is capable, it feels somewhat geared toward users who are willing to pay for premium system, which might not elegant with everyone need or budget. Overall, DreamHost provide a solid hosting solution, and that is particularly attractive due to its value oriented unlimited plan and robust security feature. However, its user experience, while generally positive, is occasionally marred by slow performance and few interfaces bugs. The including website builder bold grid offer flexibility. The customization within WordPress, though it may not be the smoothest option for those unfamiliar with this platform. DreamHost performance is adequate, but cloud benefit from further optimization to match the speed of top competitor. While the customer support system is reliable, the additionally cost for callback services and premier support option might be a drawback for some users. Despite these minor shortcomings, DreamHost in extensive money back guarantee and reasonable renew rates make it an competitive option worth considering, particularly for users who value long-term security and affordability in their hosting provider.